Hello everybody, this is 1970 Honda CT70H, and I'm going to go over taking what you have and cleaning up and not repainting, but touching up and cleaning up what you with a minimum amount of restoration that we can keep the original patina but make it look nice. So just go over what we have here. And once it's done, you'll be surprised. It's going to look a lot better. And that is a complete frame set. We have the forks I'm going to have to repaint. They're too rough. But this gives you an idea what it looks like now. And I'll have a part 2 video of what it looks like afterwards. After we clean polish, we'll put new decals on it. And just touch up some of the small spots that need it. And clean up inside here a little bit. And I'll show you what the bike looks like when it's all done. But first we're going to do some major cleaning and see how everything looks afterwards. So the first step will be to soak everything down with WD-40. And then go after with engine parts cleaner, degreaser actually, and then scrub down and polish out what we have. So on the part 2 video, you'll see what it looks like afterwards.